Hi, I'm Mary Jo Boyd, here with another eBite from Attorney Computer Systems. Today's eBite is in Tabs3. Today I'm going to show you how you can add a credit card remittance form to the bottom of your statements. So many times now we're all accepting credit cards, and we want to be able to have that box at the bottom that they can just fill out their credit card number, send back their statement, and we can accept payment that way. Well, I'm going to show you a real easy way to get that at the bottom of the statements and so that you can print that out. So I am in Tabs3. I'm on the Statement tab. We're going to go into Statement Setup and then Statement Designer. Once I'm in the Statement Designer, Tabs3 has already provided a credit card payment remittance template for us to look at. And I'm a big fan of copying and pasting and then modifying what I need to do. I don't want to recreate the wheel. So if I double click on that, I get this top part here, but if I scroll down, here at the bottom is a pre-made credit card remittance form. Now this is where you can come in and you can change it. I usually copy it and then paste it into my statement template, and then I come and modify it. That way I've always got this. So I'm just going to lasso it. So I'm just going to hold down my mouse and lasso that. And I just basically want everything to be highlighted. So I just went up to the upper corner, pushed down on my left click on my mouse, and just drag that box all the way around what I wanted to capture. Now I'm going to copy it. You can use Control-C, or you could right click and you could hit click copy. Once I've copied what I want, I'm going to go ahead and close up that window. And I'm going to go up, I don't know, you probably have a layout down here that you've created, so whatever the statement layout is that you're using, you can go into that page one, or a lot of times we'll have, our clients will just put it on the cover statement. So that way when the cover statement prints, this is on the bottom of the cover statement. Otherwise it prints at the bottom of the pages, so we don't want that. We can put it at the bottom of page one, but then if you put it on page two, it would print on all of the pages, which we don't want. So either put it on your page one at the bottom, or you can put it on your cover statement. So for my example, I'm just going to use the cover statement that's included in Tabs here, and you would put it in your layout. So here's the cover statement. I'm going to drag my body, end statement body up, and then I'm just going to right click and I'm going to paste, or you can do Control-V if you're a keyboard person. And that pastes that whole block into the bottom of my statement body at the end there. So either on the cover statement end of the page or on the bottom of page one. Now I can come in and I can start modifying. So if I don't accept Diners Club, I can just come in and I can delete that. And the checkbox that goes with it. So I'm just shifting so I can do both of those, and I'm going to hit my little delete button up here on my toolbar. So now I've got Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and American Express. If you don't accept American Express, you can take that one off. If you want to have a little bit more room in here for them to sign, or you want to add any other fields in here, you can do that. If you need the 3-digit code, the little CVV code, you can go ahead. I usually like to copy a box. I'll just shift, since these boxes are all the same size, I would just copy 3, and I would bring it down here a little bit, and I would just paste, get off of there. I'm just going to paste that in here with my right click and paste. And now I've got 3 little boxes. I could move that down here, and underneath it I could put CVV code. I could add a text box, and I could just put CVV code. So there's a lot of things here that you have control over to change after you've moved this over to the statement body or the template that you're using in your design template. You also can put in all the different options here. You can change, if you call yours invoices, you can change this terminology to say invoice number or invoice date. Whatever you're doing here, you have the control now to change it. If you don't charge interest here, you can remove that box. All of these things can be modified to look like what you want, but you've got the basic template that you can then use to customize it however you wish. I hope this eBite's been helpful for you. If you have any questions or comments, always feel free to give us a call or visit our website. Thanks.